Are you looking to turn your skills into a steady income stream? Whether you are a graphic designer or writer, Fiverr offers a platform to monetize your talents. Imagine working from anywhere, setting your own rates, and getting paid to do what you love. In this video, we'll show you the exact steps to get started on Fiverr and start making money today. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into fiverraffiliates.com. So this is the website. As you can see, we have here Fiverr affiliates products. You can select the one you want: marketplace, Fiverr Pro, logo maker, type program, resources, help center, join now, dashboard login, and we have here become a Fiverr affiliate, join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world-class freelance talent. All you have to do is click over here to sign up. We have here join now. Here we have other information like meet the products, affiliate can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products. We have here Fiverr, Fiverr Pro, logo maker. Our partners earn first, enjoy an instant commission ranging from 2500% to 100% of this customer's first order, and a 10% revenue share from all future orders placed by the customer in the first 12 months. We have a marketplace gigs, pro services, logo maker, and then we have everything you need to succeed. We provide our partners with top tier resources, infrastructures, and support. Missing something? Reach out and you will get it. Then we have also join now if you want to sign up, but before, let's know other information. We have your marketing tools, personal support, intuitive dashboard, a wide range of offers. Also we have here our Fiverr affiliate materials. Here is what we are looking for. First we have content creators, digital entrepreneurs, solution providers, online educators, marketers, agencies. We have also here some of the most asked questions about our Fiverr affiliate program. What is the Fiverr affiliate program? All I have to do is click over here. What do I promote? Fiverr. This is the answer. Do I need to reach a threshold before I get paid? How often are commissions paid? And the last one, what does a Fiverr affiliate link look like? So if you want to sign up, all I have to do is come back to the top. As you can see, all I have to do is click over here, join now. This is the website if you want to sign up. Sign up to Fiverr affiliate programs. As you can see, all I have to do is write your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm password, count type. Do you have a main source of traffic? All you have to do is responding by yes or no. Then choose your country, choose your language, and Skype also. Then you click over next, and this is the homepage of Fiverr. You have here dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub affiliates, commission plan, affiliate store. And right now all you have to do is go to marketing tools, click over default and deep links. You can find these different affiliate links. So if you send someone to this affiliate link, it's going to send them straight to Fiverr to sign up to Fiverr platform. Now that's okay, but if you want to promote some specific offer and some specific services for Fiverr, then you would find that service that you want to promote. Let's say for example you want to promote video editing. As you can see, you search for video editing, you find the video editing service that you really like and you think is followable and you want to promote that. Then you click on that lessons. So we choose someone here, we choose this one for example. So all you have to do is click over share and you click over copy link. Then you come back to your affiliate account and then simply you click over deep link and you put your link. As you can see, once you click, that's going to give you special affiliate links for the offer in particular. And now when someone clicks on your affiliate link, then you will be sent to the service from which you earn commission if they invest in the service, but even if they don't buy the service and they go to something else, you will still earn commission because they use your affiliate link to sign up. Now let's talk about how to share your affiliate links on social media. First we have Quora. As you can see, all you have to do is write your questions or other things. So let's write video editing because we choose video editing at first, in the beginning or at first. So there's a various questions. All you have to do is respond to these questions about video editing and advise them to use your the link of the video because it's very helpful and useful. Then also you can use create post. You share your opinion about video editing. If someone asks about details, all you have to do is share with them the link of the video if they want details. Also, you can use Reddit. All you have to do is type into reddit.com. This is the home page. As you can see, you can find a lot of subreddits related to services that you are promoting. And again, video editing has just one of the kind of services that you want to promote. So here, there's literally all sorts of different things, including graphic design, programming, digital marketing, video animation, writing, translation, music and audio, business, consulting, and others. Then create affiliate links for each and then find people that are interested in this. Join different subreddits and sublight to start promoting your links. Don't be spammy but provide some value, answer questions, and at the end you can say, hey, this is one that I use. If you want to check it out, here is a link. That's how you can potentially approach this. So using social media on Fiverr can significantly boost your freelance career by increasing visibility, building a personal brand, and attracting clients like Reddit and Quora. Also, you can use Facebook by creating a business page to share your Fiverr gigs, client testimonial, and updates. So Fiverr is a versatile online marketplace offering freelance service across various fields including graphic design, writing, programming, and digital marketing. It connects businesses and individuals with freelancers who can provide specialized services quickly and affordably. By leveraging Fiverr, users can access a vast pool of talents to complete projects efficiently, making it an excellent resource for outsourcing tasks and finding skilled professionals for short-term or long-term collaboration. So this is it for Fiverr. As you can see, all you have to do is to more understand about this Fiverr affiliates is to read this information and start earning a commission. So as you can see, we have here other things. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful and see you again in the next video.